Hello. I want to study.
Welcome to our language school.
Do you teach basic English?
Yes, we have beginner classes.
When does the course start?
It starts next Monday morning.
How many days a week?
We study 3 days weekly.
How long is one lesson?
Each lesson is 2 hours.
Are the groups very big?
No, just 10 students maximum.
Who is the main teacher?
Mr. Brown is the teacher.
Is he a native speaker?
Yes, he is from London.
How much is 1 month?
It is $100.
I will pay with cash.
Please fill out this paper.
I am writing my name.
Here is your student card.
Do I need a book?
We give books for free.
Thank you. See you Monday.
Excuse me, Mr. David? Yes, Leo. How can I help? I have a small question. What is your question today? I do not understand this. Show me the exact page. It is on page 10. This is a grammar rule. It looks very difficult now. Let me explain it simply. I am listening very carefully. We use this for past. Only for the past tense? Yes, exactly, for the past. Can you give an example? I walked to the park. Oh, I understand it now. You are a smart student. Thank you for your help. Do you have more questions? No, that is all today. Please finish your homework then. I will finish it tonight. See you in class tomorrow. Have a very good evening.
Hello, I need a book.
Are you a registered student?
Yes, here is my card.
What kind of book today?
I need an English dictionary.
We have many good dictionaries.
I want a big one.
Look at this blue book.
Is it easy to read?
Yes, it is for beginners.
Can I take it home?
Yes, for exactly 2 weeks.
What if I am late?
You will pay a fine.
I will bring it back.
Let me scan your card.
Here is the plastic card.
The book is yours now.
Where is the reading room?
It is down the hall.
Is it quiet in there?
Yes, it is completely silent.
I will study there now.
Good luck with your studies.
Thank you for your help.
Hello, John. Are you busy?
No, Max, I am free.
Can you help me, please?
What do you need today?
I missed the last lesson.
We learned some new words.
Do you have your notes?
Yes, my notebook is here.
Can I copy your notes?
Yes, take my blue notebook.
Your handwriting is very neat.
Thank you. I try hard.
Did the teacher give homework?
Yes, write a short story.
How long is the story?
Just about 50 words total.
When do we show it?
We show it next Friday.
I have plenty of time.
Yes, you can do it.
Can we study together later?
Yes, let us meet tomorrow.
We can meet at cafe.
That is a great idea.
See you tomorrow, my friend.
Hello, Mr. Alex. Good morning.
Good morning, Sam. Sit down.
I am ready for test.
Are you nervous about it?
Just a little bit nervous.
Take a deep breath now.
Okay, I feel much better.
Here is your test paper.
Do I use a pen?
Yes, use a black pen.
How much time is there?
You have exactly 30 minutes.
Can I use my dictionary?
No dictionaries are allowed here.
I will try my best.
Read the questions very carefully.
I am reading them now.
Please write your name first.
I wrote my full name.
You can start the test.
I am completely finished now.
Let me check your answers.
Are there many bad mistakes?
No, you passed it perfectly.
That is very great news.